down button. It's so cute. I want to eat it.
Nom, nom, nom.
Eat a kitty. Eat a kitty. So snacksy with the kitty. My butt hurts.
Thank you.
I got you in this.
And I look awesome in my new hair.
I do.
Am I awesome? Yes.
Oh, oh. 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 Oh.
My floors are very ugly.
That's fine. What do you do? Does it even have teeth?
Yeah.
It does? Will it bite?
No. He'll bite if you touch his stomach.
Thank you. Don't mess this up. It's not for you. It's for my head.
Don't put it on your head.
Put it on the kitty's head. Oh, that is so cute.
Okay, say bye-bye. It's going in the bag.
Skip. Or should I totally do that? Go inside the bag. Go inside the bag. Go in the bag or I'll rape you.
This is her trying to put a cat in a bag. And it's a very epic fail right now.
Get in the bag. Get your ass in that bag or I will rape you with this high heel.
Well, say goodbye, Kitty. Goodbye.
Spank, spank, spank.